so excited to have Dr. Joy Buolamwini here at Sanford today to talk about AI and ethics, algorithmic biases. It's just really cool to have such an accomplished researcher here today and getting to speak on something that's felt so deeply and so relevant to our current climate.
It's important that policymakers don't just treat tech as this black box thing that isn't impacting every part of society. I think we very clearly see now that technology is touching everything we do, and it's really important to me that speakers like this are part of the Sanford experience. It gives us an opportunity to see what the work that we're doing and the work that we're studying is like in practice, and to hear from someone like Dr. Buolamwini, who is very prominent in the space and has really furthered the conversation, adds value beyond the academic context of what we're doing at school.
When you look at what's happening globally around AI, for me, this moment is a reminder that we have to put forth the vision of the world we want to see, and we have to continuously fight for it.